Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only, and any testing should be done only on networks you own or have permission to access. Today we're going to talk about Waircut, a Windows-based tool used to analyze Wi-Fi security, especially networks that rely on WPS or Wi-Fi Protected Setup. This feature is designed to make connecting devices easier, but in some cases it can introduce security weaknesses that can be studied in a controlled environment. To use Waircut properly on Windows, you first need to search and download it from the Internet, and then install the required components, such as JumpStart along with Npcap or WinPcap, which allow the software to interact correctly with your network adapter. Once everything is set up, you can perform a test on your own Wi-Fi network, where Waircut scans nearby networks and identifies those with WPS enabled, helping you understand how certain configurations may expose potential risks. This kind of demonstration is useful for learning and improving your network security awareness. To protect yourself from such vulnerabilities, it is strongly recommended to disable the WPS feature in your router settings and always use strong WPA2 or WPA3 passwords. Keeping your system updated and monitoring connected devices can also improve your overall security. Always remember to use these tools responsibly and ethically. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.